are humming all around me everywhere. They're very, very happy that the coral bells is blooming. I am here with this splendiferous mass display of Heuchera Wendy is the selection on this. So this is also known by the common name Coral Bells because of these teeny tiny little flowers, kind of like little bells. So this is a popular selection that's pretty hardy. It can be grown in full sun or light shade under a tree, or it's excellent under deciduous trees so it can get some winter sun and then come out well in the springtime. And it's not flowering in the summer, it's a heavy kind of between winter, spring, and maybe a bit of summer. This is beautifully massed here. So it's evergreen basal foliage, this little foliage down here. And then these slender stems, these rosy stems come up with these light pink flowers. And I don't know if it's going to show in the video, the bees are humming all around me everywhere. They're very, very happy that the coral bells is blooming. So this variety is Wendy, and this is Coral Bells. Something for a sunny low water spot or semi-shade, or particularly under a deciduous tree. Perfect. Hi, thanks for joining me. If you found this video interesting or informative, or you think that other people might, please give me the thumbs up or subscribe on my YouTube channel. That way I'll know, and other people will know, that this is a good thing. There's a lot of treasures to explore out there, and it's fun to share them.